Yang
Langsung
sibuk
Palembang.
Palembang. Didoakan semoga sukses dan lancar rezeki ya amin.
Just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. There goes my hand shaking, and you